Nissan Z Coupe makeover comes after the debuts of the reborn Toyota Supra and the mid-engine Corvette. This generation of Nissan sports car will simply be called Z, unlike the outgoing 370Z and 1969 240Z. The 2023 Z is powered by a 400 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine with a 6-speed manual or 9-speed automated. We like the Z's fun handling and snappy acceleration, and it's more refined than its predecessor. The Z also gets updated touchscreen infotainment, a customizable digital gauge display, and driver assistance systems. The last generation 370Z competed with the Mazda MX-5 Miata and Toyota 86 in price and performance, but the next generation model targets the Supra. The 2023 Z car is all new. The new Z, previewed by the Z Proto concept car, borrows design cues from prior models, but updates technology and the interior. The new Z debuts as a hardtop car in summer 2022, but a convertible could follow. Despite having a higher starting price than the preceding 370Z, the new Z is a bargain compared to the Supra and Audi TT. The Z has more luxury amenities and stylish aesthetics to justify its greater price. The mid-range Z Performance adds a sportier suspension tuning, a limited slip differential, enhanced brakes, 19-inch wheels with summer tires, and power-adjustable faux suede seats.